Hey, this is Neil, Gas Capital Customs. I'm going to do an update video of the installation for the 2015 and up mean mugs. This is how they come. This is how they've came for a couple of years actually. Just one strip of 3M tape. Trust me, it's enough. I know I get lots of questions of, that doesn't look like it's enough. You do this installation correctly, you're going to be cussing me with just this one bar. So don't be adding more, you don't need it. But what you do need to do, on the front, clean this with windshield cleaner, okay? Get it spotless. Do it 2 or 3 times. Get all the bugs, all the grime. Then you're gonna follow it up with isopropyl alcohol, preferably like 91%, okay? That's gonna take off any little bit of wax that's left. You may not think there's wax on there, but there quite possibly could be. I've only had 4 bezels fall off since I've been making these since 2014. Every time I've told the guy, reapply some 3M tape, clean it up as I'm telling you right now, and it's stuck, okay? So that tells me that it was user error. You know, it wasn't nothing that my tape, nothing like that, because I use 3M tape, I use quality stuff. So glass cleaner, isopropyl alcohol. Take this, take your fingernail, kind of push this in. Before you take the backing off, what that does is kind of activates that the sticker a little bit, helps it get a little bit sticky, supposedly. That's what 3M says. And then you peel the backing off, line it up, put it on there. It's gonna stick every time. So I hope that helps. Clears things up from my first video from way back when I did the very first one. And hey, thanks for the support through all the years. We'll keep on trucking. Later.